Oh god! Hello and welcome to the Power Drill Massacre demo. This is Puppet Combo's next game to be released. I'm excited to give it a try while it's available this weekend, because apparently after this weekend it's going away. So let's jump in before they take it off. Oh, it's a radio tuning. I was like, what am I hearing? Oh?
It's from a turn to the right.
I'm trying to figure out if I'm supposed to care about what's being said. This art style though is absolutely gorgeous already. Gives me a lot of excitement for the rest of this demo. Oh. That didn't sound good. Someone's standing over me. This is the worst headache ever. But I think I'm alright. It's getting dark. Better get the flashlight out of the trunk. Whoa, why is... There we go, okay. I'm sorry, I had to turn the VHS effect off because I couldn't see anything. Wait. Will you take a flashlight? Yes, I will. Awesome. Alright. Use it? And I can't use the flashlight yet. Okay. Awesome. Oh. This is already off to a awesome start. Music. Oh? We stop abruptly. Alright. So let's see if I can find out where I'm going. Why did I crash? Is the other question I have. Like, no context there? Maybe it's in the full game, the context. What am I hearing? Over here? That looks like a building in the distance. Oh, okay. Maybe I can use the phone. Where's that? Way up there? Oh yeah, way up there. Okay. Let's go to it. Oh, there's another building here. What we got? Good. Oh. Well, that's lovely to find. Just yep. Found the main building. Oh. Okay, abandoned vehicle. Didn't help me out at all. Track. There's a door over there. Is there another way in? Or is that the only way in? Let's go upstairs. Go this way in. You know, front door is too easy. Alright. Door is open. Go inside. We're already here. We might as well find out what's inside. What a creepy building. Ooh, that's some cool. Excuse me? It's locked? It locked me in. What the frick you mean locked me in? I'm on the inside. What the hell? Oh god, my feet are so loud in here. What? Another symbol? No. Oh god! Oh my god! No, 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 Run, 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 run. Oh my god. Oh, that escalated very quickly. Is he always going to be there? No. Not always there. Like an article ripped out of a newspaper. Read it? Yes. The search continues for 2 missing campers in the Pocono Mountains. Mason C. Sargent and Lori Summers of Long Island, New York have been missing since June 8th. The campsite and belongings have been located, but investigations have few leads. Police say there are no visible signs of struggle, and this continues to be a rescue mission. The rest is missing. It's dated August 1982, 5 years ago. Okay, so is he just gonna pop up like whenever he wants? Because that kind of sucks if he is. I'm gonna walk around because I think running might have attracted him. I'm just gonna keep going down, I guess, you know. I heard another set of footsteps. I ran for it. Oh god. I hear extra footsteps. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Go, 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 go! Run, 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 run! Oh my god! 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 Run, 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 run! Don't stop! Don't stop! Go, 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 go! Shit! 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 Oh my god! No! 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 Not like this! Go! 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 Oh my god! Hopefully my health regens because he, I think, got me. Yep. Just gonna keep going down. Oh my god! Go! 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 What the hell is this? Oh! Extra light over here? What am I hearing? What am I hearing? Just a dresser and items for a tea party. Oh, am I locked in here now? Okay, so I was supposed to go here if I'm locked in here. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh, I am messed up. It's a pile of decaying flesh. Gonna be sick. Yep. Something horrible happened in this bed. Are you sure? Are you sure about that? I think somebody still sleeps here. Oh. Guess there's items for a tea party. Okay, what am I supposed to do in here? These aren't dog cages, they're cages for people. Oh god! Oh. That actually scared the crap out of me. Am I naked? Oh, he took all my clothes. What the hell? Oh. Hey, bro. Chill. Am I dying? Is he killing me? Because I can't... Oh, I can move. And I'm naked. Thank God it's still low quality. You can't tell very well. What? What are you saying, bro? Uh-huh. Bye. Can I get out? There's nothing I can do in here. I'm just stuck. Oh, oh god, no! No, 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 no! Stop, 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 stop! Come on! And death and hell were cast into the lake of fire. This is... Oh, I didn't get to read all that. What the... That was a really short demo, but holy hell did that get my heart racing and make me feel extremely, extremely uneasy. Holy hell. Oh my god. I know I want the game to come out so I can play it, but god damn, I don't know if I'm gonna be very very well equipped to play that game. That was a lot of fun for me. I hope you guys enjoyed me screaming like a little baby. And if you liked it, please leave a like, a comment, subscribe. It means a lot to me. I hope you all have a lovely day.